Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today is one of the simple days that remind us that happiness doesn't have to be expensive or extraordinary. Look at our plants. They are so beautiful. Marriage is surprisingly similar. We need to look after the plants and take care of it so it become abundance. And now I'm also preparing our delicious and healthy breakfast. Today's menu is bacon, sunny side up eggs, toast, and a little bit of Shin Ramyun noodles. It may sound like an unusual combination, but that's our breakfast today. Cooking together or cooking for my husband is actually one of my favorite parts of married life. Of course, every couple has one important question. Hmm, who gets to wash the dishes? Sometimes, oh, anyway, rather, always, it's me. I love washing the dishes. I love the flow of water on my hands and I feel relaxed. Sometimes it's him if I feel sick or uncomfortable in a day. Sometimes we both pretend we didn't see him. One thing I've learned is that breakfast is more than food. It's quality time. While cooking, we talk about our plans, our dreams as well. Sometimes we joke around. Sometimes we flirt with each other. Sometimes we discuss serious topics. The kitchen becomes our meeting room. This is true. Sometimes, really, intimacy room. Just kidding. I just want to share that marriage is like taking care of a plant. You can't water it only once and expect it to stay healthy forever. Marriage also needs daily attention. Now, cooking. Cooking is our favorite way to show our love. Cooking together teaches teamwork. The goal isn't to make a perfect meal, it's to enjoy the journey together, even when something doesn't go exactly as planned, definitely. And remember, words are like water. They can help someone grow or they can slowly cause damage. Choose words that encourage, heal, and strengthen your relationship. This is very important, especially to women, but also for men. Okay, so words are powerful. So I just have this final thought in this um, video. I mean, not a final thought, but something meaningful. The strongest marriage aren't built by grand romantic moments, they're built by ordinary days filled with kindness, patience, laughter, and choosing each other over and over and over again. That is partnership and marriage. I just want to share this because I want to be inspired and look the goodness of being married. I was grown up in a family that marriage is really not good. But anyway, I need to um, set aside that thoughts and I want to see the beautiful view of marriage and partnership. Now, on the next video of this vlog, I will show to you some behavioral issues that I have and how my man communicate this issue to me, and I really love it. And I also try to express myself how to overcome those behavioral issues. So do not skip this video. You need to continue this until the end. I hope you can learn and I hope you can also reflect on our experiences. So please watch, okay? So I'm preparing now the noodles. Next is the eating moment. Let's eat.
Hello.
Bon appetit.
Let's see our breakfast today. We have sunny eggs, toast, and bacon. Plus noodles. It's called Shin Ramyun. Delicioso. Kain tayo. Okay, so today my husband is disappointed.
Oh my god.
Yeah, because I forgot to drink the G Fuel yesterday afternoon, and I wasted it. But just a small amount, maybe 3 ounces of juice. Never mind. Anyway, let's eat. I'm just sharing. What? My husband said, "Why you like this?"
It's not about the drink, it's about the repeated forgetfulness.
I like it. Yeah, it's true. Okay. Oh, forgive me. I'm forgetful. I don't know what. I think I need to be pressured to remember, like get angry or like remind me over and over and over and over and over 100 times again. Anyway, are you forgetful? Comment down. How do you overcome those forgetfulness? Okay, I need to eat first. I need to use. See, I already used my blackboard, but I have a blackboard here for
It's
the.
a whiteboard.
Sorry, it's a whiteboard. I'm sorry, sir. Okay, it's a whiteboard where we can put our general reminders, shopping lists, like that. Because I'm forgetful, really. But anyway, let's eat first. Fine. Give me more patience, more patience. Unending patience to me. So, I wanna have the noodles first. Bon appetit. Today, the weather is rainy, like shower, there's some shower. So it's really good to have some noodles. What's the weather? Can you describe? I cannot describe.
Light rain.
Light rain. Okay, vocabulary for today: light rain. Not rainy, not
Showers.
shower, but light rain. Put down in your vocabulary notes. This is Veronica, and thank you for watching.
Well, no, it doesn't help unless they
They
can
can
see
see.
what actually can describe
Okay,
that.
I will show you how to describe this kind of weather. Let's go to light rain. Let me see. Let me show you. Okay, this is how we call it. Light rain. It's like ambon. Ambon lang. Can you observe that? Again, this weather is called light rain, not shower, not raining. It's light rain to be exact. Ambon siya, maambon in Tagalog.
That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Have a nice day. Thank you.